Have you ever stayed silent just because you were afraid someone might laugh at your English?
I did, and that one moment almost destroyed my confidence.
They didn't laugh because his English was bad. They laughed because he was brave enough to try. Today, we are not just learning English, we are rebuilding confidence.
And by the end of this video, you won't be afraid to speak again.
So don't skip, because this lesson might be the one that changes your voice forever. Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Booster Channel, the place where your English becomes your power. I'm Emily, your English coach.
And I'm Alex, your learning partner. I'm here to practice, improve, and grow, just like you.
On this channel, we don't just learn grammar, we practice real-life English conversations that help you speak confidently in everyday situations.
Whether it's shopping, interviews, daily conversations, or public speaking, we learn step by step.
If you've ever felt nervous, shy, or unsure while speaking English, you're not alone.
And today's lesson is going to help you break that fear.
So stay with us, focus carefully, and repeat after us, because every sentence you practice brings you closer to confidence. Let's boost your English. Alex, imagine this. You walk into a cafe, and suddenly someone important starts talking to you in English.
Important? Like my future boss?
Maybe, or maybe someone who can change your life.
That sounds scary already.
Relax. Today, we practice exactly that situation.
Okay, I'm ready, but don't judge my pronunciation.
I won't judge. I'll guide. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's available. You can sit here.
Thank you. By the way, do you work nearby?
Yes, I work in a marketing company.
Great. What's your role there?
I handle social media campaigns.
Repeat after me. Marketing. Marketing, not marketing. Soften the T.
Marketing.
Perfect. Interesting. Actually, I'm looking for someone skilled in digital marketing.
Really? That's my field.
We are launching an international project.
International?
Yes, and we need confident English speakers.
Confident English speakers?
Tell me, how comfortable are you speaking English with clients?
I understand well, but sometimes I hesitate.
Why do you hesitate?
I worry about making mistakes.
Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Repeat, I'm comfortable speaking English. Say it smoothly, no break after comfortable.
I'm comfortable speaking English.
Excellent rhythm. Can you handle a live presentation in front of foreign clients?
Yes, I can prepare and deliver it.
Good answer. Strong and confident. Alex, confidence comes from clarity. Clarity comes from practice.
So, daily conversation matters?
Absolutely. Speak every day, even if it's alone.
What if people laugh?
Let them. Your growth is more important than their opinion. By the way, I'm the project director.
Wait, what?
Yes, and this conversation was part of an evaluation.
Evaluation?
I wanted to test your communication skills.
Did I pass?
Smiling tone. You showed honesty, effort, and potential.
That means,
You're shortlisted.
seriously?
Yes, because you spoke clearly, not perfectly, but confidently. Repeat this powerful line. Confidence is stronger than perfection.
Confidence is stronger than perfection.
Beautiful pronunciation. Today, you learned how to start small talk, how to answer professionally, how to handle pressure questions, how to improve accent.
And I learned that fear disappears when we speak.
Exactly. Alex, what if I tell you something?
What?
Opportunities don't look for perfect English, they look for brave speakers.
then I'm ready for every opportunity.
If you want to speak confidently in real-life situations, practice with us daily.
Don't just watch, speak with us.
Let's boost your English.
Alex, do you know what stops most people from success?
What?
It's not grammar. It's not vocabulary. It's fear.
So, how do we remove fear?
By speaking again and again until confidence becomes your habit.
And if someone is still scared?
Then they should watch our next video, because in the next lesson, we're going to practice real-life English under pressure. And trust me, you don't want to miss what happens next.
So stay tuned.
And let's boost your English. Alex, imagine 1 year from today.
Okay, what about it?
Imagine you are sitting in a real interview, and this time you're not nervous.
That would feel amazing.
You answer clearly, you speak smoothly, you maintain eye contact.
And the interviewer is impressed.
Exactly. Now tell me, does that future start someday, or does it start today?
It starts today.
Right now, with practice, with effort, with courage.
But what if someone feels their English is too weak?
Then they are in the perfect place.
Why?
Because on English Booster Channel, we grow step by step. No pressure, no judgment, only progress.
So beginners can also follow?
Absolutely. Every confident speaker was once a beginner. And in our next lesson, we're going to practice a situation that makes most people panic.
Panic? What situation?
Public speaking in front of strangers.
That's scary already.
Yes, but we'll break it down into simple, easy sentences.
So even shy learners can try.
Especially shy learners. If you are watching this and thinking, I understand English but I can't speak, this message is for you.
If you feel nervous while talking,
If your mind goes blank during conversation,
if you are afraid people will judge your accent,
stay with us, because improvement is not magic, it's daily practice.
so what should they do now?
Subscribe to English Booster Channel
Press the like button if you practiced with us.
and comment below, I am building my confidence.
When you comment, you commit.
And when you commit, you improve. Your English future is waiting.
The question is,
Are you ready to speak without fear? Let's boost your English.